Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. In this lesson, I'll teach you 24 English words for talking about personal beauty and makeup items. I'll cover everything from face powder and lipstick to mascara and perfume. In Part 1, I'll present all the words, and in Part 2, I'll test if you can remember them. But don't forget, real beauty is found inside us, not on the outside. Happy learning! Personal beauty items. Part 1. Foundation. Foundation. Foundation makes the skin smooth and even. Foundation. Concealer. Concealer. Concealer hides small skin imperfections. Concealer. Face powder. Face powder. Face powder helps makeup stay longer. Face powder. Bronzer. Bronzer. I use bronzer to give my skin a sun-kissed look. Bronzer. Highlighter. Highlighter. I love using highlighter to make my cheekbones shine. Highlighter. Blush. Blush. The blush comes in a nice case with a mirror. Blush. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow helps me create different eye looks. Eyeshadow. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. I use black eyeliner to make my eyes look better. Eyeliner. Eyelash curler. Eyelash curler. The eyelash curler adds a nice curve. Eyelash curler. Mascara. Mascara. My friend uses mascara for longer eyelashes. Mascara. Lip liner. Lip liner. What color lip liner do you like? Lip liner. Lipstick. Lipstick. I wear red lipstick when I go to parties. Lipstick. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. I always have lip gloss in my bag. Lip gloss. Makeup brush. Makeup brush. A soft makeup brush helps me apply powder smoothly. Makeup brush. Makeup sponge. Makeup sponge. I use a makeup sponge to blend my foundation and concealer. Makeup sponge. Nail polish. Nail polish. I got a new shiny red nail polish. Nail polish. Perfume. Perfume. I love my favorite perfume because it smells like flowers. Perfume. Toner. Toner. Toner balances the skin's pH level. Toner. Eye cream. Eye cream. My sister uses eye cream to prevent wrinkles. Eye cream. Face cream. Face cream. Using face cream helps keep the skin healthy. Face cream. Face mask. Face mask. Face masks make the skin feel clean and renewed. Face mask. Self-tanner. Self-tanner. Self-tanner gives skin a nice bronze color. Self-tanner. Compact mirror. Compact mirror. With a compact mirror, you can fix your makeup anytime. Compact mirror. Cosmetic bag. Cosmetic bag. I keep all my beauty items in a stylish cosmetic bag. Cosmetic bag. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Now it's time to test your knowledge of words for items related to personal beauty. Let's see how many words you can remember. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Foundation. Foundation. Concealer. Concealer. Face powder. Face powder. Bronzer. Bronzer. Highlighter. Highlighter. Blush. Blush. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. Eyelash curler. Eyelash curler. Mascara. Mascara. Lip liner. Lip liner. Lipstick. Lipstick. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. Makeup brush. Makeup brush. Makeup sponge. Makeup sponge. Nail polish. Nail polish. Perfume. Perfume. Toner. Toner. Eye cream. Eye cream. Face cream. Face cream. Face mask. Face mask. Self-tanner. Self-tanner. Compact mirror. Compact mirror. Cosmetic bag. Cosmetic bag. Amazing work. You are a superstar. We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.